Lizann, you are my lifelong desire and the one I want to spend the rest of my life with. As my best friend and true love, there's so much that I adore about you. I've been waiting for this day since the first time I held your hand, looked into your eyes, and kissed you.
Jacob, you're my forever plus one, best friend, and partner in crime, and I'm so blessed to call you my husband. When I look into your eyes, I feel safe and at home, and that's when I know that my dream has come true. I love you so much.